Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to make this amazing hair mask that can cure any heat damaged hair, any frizzy, uncombable hair, dry hair, just any kind of damaged hair. This is going to help you. You're going to see results in one use, so make sure you continue watching this video. I know I haven't been posting English videos in a while, but don't worry, we're going to come back at it again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So this is the easiest hair mask you'll ever see. You don't need any vitamin E oils. You just need some basic things that you have in your home. You don't even need to go to the store. So you're going to need some mayonnaise, some olive oil, an avocado, and a banana. Now, the measurements I'm using is for my specific hair thickness. If you have thick hair, you can use double of everything. If you have in between, you can use about the same amount I'm using. If you have thin, you can always make the recipe half. And you can also use this on your face, on your skin, anything if you want, anything to moisturize. So this is a very helpful mask. Okay, so what I did was I took the banana, I chopped it up, I put it into the bowl, and I like to chop it up because it's easier to mash later on. Next, I put some avocado, put that in the bowl, obviously, take everything out of the skin, take the seed out. And then the next thing I did was I took some mayo. Now, mayo has a lot of good benefits because it's made out of eggs. It replenishes hair, makes your hair shiny, makes everything smooth. So make sure you don't forget that mayo because this is gonna help. Okay, y'all. So now you guys might be like, okay, the ingredients are getting pretty silly, and honestly, it is. It looks more of like, I don't know, some kind of guac mix. But anyways, at this stage, you need to add in your olive oil. What I love about this recipe is that you don't need any kind of random oils. I'm pretty sure everyone has olive oil sitting in their cabinet. Just grab that out, and I promise olive oil is so helpful. It has so many benefits. Like if you search benefits of olive oil, there's like a list that will continue and go on forever. So make sure you put in olive oil in this, and don't forget it because you're not going to get the proper treatment that this mask gives. Okay, y'all, so I put everything in the bowl, all the proper measurements. So I'll try to leave the measurements in the description box. If not, then I use 1 avocado, 1 banana, 4 tablespoons of mayo, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Yep, it's not that much. So what I did was I put it into my blender, and I just blended that until I got a creamy, smooth paste. And all the ingredients are mushy, like avocados are mushy and bananas are mushy, so it just blends so easily. Okay, so after it was blended for about like a minute, everything's nice and smooth, no chunks of banana, no chunks of avocado, I tossed her into the bowl, took her out, and honestly, even from personal perspective, this looked pretty gross. It looked like puke, but it smells fine and it feels fine. It actually feels really good. Like when you rub it in your fingers, it feels really good. Like you can feel your fingers getting moisturized. I promise you, like if you use this once, you will notice a big change in your hair. All these moisturizing items, ingredients, whatever, when you just mash everything together and put it on your hair will become like slippery smooth. It feels like you have conditioner in it. So what you need to do is you need to take this mask, put it in your hair, and make sure to moisturize the scalp and the roots. Make sure everything is soggy in this. Make sure you do not make it too thin and runny, because if you do, it's going to keep like melting down on your neck. So you need to put this on, put on a plastic bag on your head, cover it with a nice towel or a do-rag or something. You can sleep with it because the more time that you put it in your hair, the better it works. So I like to put it in before I sleep. I like to sleep with it, and then when I wake up in the morning, wash everything out, do your normal hair routine, and your hair should be really shiny. And this is really good for also curly hair, some dry curly hair, because I know my girls, you know, we got them curls, and this replenishes the curls, makes the curl look nice and smooth and silky. So yeah, this is like the best mask by far in the planet, so make sure you use it. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on this YouTube channel, please. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please help me reach my goal, and I know we're doing so well. We've reached about 600 subscribers now, and I cannot believe it. So yeah, please subscribe, comment, like, share it with your friends, share it with anyone you think needs their hair to be nice and smooth. So yeah, bye guys.